this is the conversation and vocabulary from Capítulo 5. So read along with me. ¿Qué haces para estar en plena forma? Sigo una dieta sana y balanceada y hago ejercicio todos los días. What do you do to stay in good shape? I follow a healthy and well-balanced diet, and I exercise every day. ¿Duermes lo suficiente? Do you get enough sleep? Sí, ayer, por ejemplo, dormí por 8 horas. Yes, yesterday, for example, I slept for 8 hours. Es preciso comer muchas verduras. It's necessary to eat a lot of vegetables. Sí, ya lo sé. También es importante beber mucha agua. Yes, I already know. It's also important to drink a lot of water. Okay. And then on page 138, ponte en forma. Get into shape. No seas floja. Don't be lazy. Deja de fumar. Stop smoking. No fumes más. Don't smoke anymore. Ten cuidado. Be careful. No añadas sal a la comida. Don't add salt to the food. Okay, a couple more pages on page 143. Bueno, es que estudié con María anoche. Well, it's just that I studied with Maria last night. Iba a asistir, pero no pude. I was going to attend, but I wasn't able to. Mis padres no me dieron permiso. My parents didn't give me permission. Okay, and then the vocabulary. On page 157, 157. Las artes marciales, martial arts. El atletismo, track and field. Aumentar de peso, to put on weight. Bajar de peso, to lose weight. Balanceado, balanceada, balanced. El ciclismo, cycling. La dieta, diet. El preciso, it's necessary. Escalar montañas, to go mountain climbing. Estar en plena forma, to be in good shape. Estirarse, to stretch. Hacer abdominales, to do sit-ups. Inscribirse, to enroll. Levantar pesas, to lift weights. Lo suficiente, enough. El montañismo, mountain climbing. Moverse, to move. La natación, swimming. Por, for a period of time. Remar, to row. El remo, rowing. Saltar a la cuerda, to jump rope. Sano, sana, healthy. El senderismo, hiking. Sudar, to sweat. Ya lo sé, I already know. Okay. Segundo paso, el bienestar, well-being. La competición, lo siento. La competencia, competition. Dedicar, to dedicate. Dejar de fumar, stop smoking. Entrenarse, to train. El estrés, stress. Evitar, to avoid. La grasa, fat. El hábito, habit. Hacer régimen, to be on a diet. Mantenerse en forma, to stay in shape. No añadas sal, don't add salt. No fumes más, don't smoke anymore. No seas, don't be. Remember the book says flojo or floja, don't be lazy. Ponte en forma, get into shape. Profundamente, deeply. Relajarse, to relax. Respirar, to breathe. La salud, health. Ten cuidado, be careful. Acordarse, to remember. Cansarse, to get tired. Dar permiso, to give permission. Divertirse, to have fun. Doler, to hurt, to ache. Enfermarse, to become ill. Es que, it's just that. Hacerse daño, to hurt oneself. Iba a, that would, asistir is what they have in the conversation. Iba a asistir, pero no pude. I was going to attend, but I wasn't able to. Lastimarse, to injure oneself. Olvidarse, to forget. Quejarse, to complain. Tener calambre, to have a cramp. Torcerse, to sprain. El codo, elbow. El cuello, neck. El hombro, shoulder. La muñeca, wrist. El muslo, thigh. La pantorrilla, calf. La rodilla, knee. El tobillo, ankle. All right. Make sure you review Chapter 5, Capítulo 5 often.